Meg's Stampin' Sharon. Welcome to the Happiness Surrounds class. This month was pretty exciting with all the options of the new bundle. Or, it's not a bundle, I keep calling it a bundle, with the framelits and then the two different stamp sets that all coordinate and work well together. A lot of you took this class and I really want to thank you for that. Stay tuned to the end because I give you a paper saving trick. I'm just going to walk you through the card kits, and if I made any changes to any of the cards, then this is where you will see them. So let me show you the class. Here are the cards for the Happiness Surrounds class, and you have the PDF instructions, which I feel are very detailed on what to do. As far as the card kits go, your card kits are going to come packed like this. And let me just show you a few things. On this first card, I decided to change up the card base. I realized I didn't use that as a card base, so I went ahead and changed that up. And as far as everything else goes, you have your little embellishment in here that you're going to add on. You have plenty, okay, so you have a large piece of the berry burst. That is way more than what you're gonna need to cut out these two flowers. But you know what? I'd rather give you more than have you struggle. And then you have your Whisper White layer that you'll do your stamping on. And then all your banner pieces are inside your little envelope. You get two of each card. So there's the two card kits, and they are packaged that way. Whoops. On this card, I decided I gave you one layer of the Greeny Apple Green, but then I decided to change it up a bit. I gave you green for one card, so green and green, and then on the next one, I gave you some Berry Burst ribbon and a 6x6 piece of Dazzling Diamonds, or actually it's called Sparkle, glimmer paper. I just thought it might spice up this a little bit because we've got some rhinestones in there, and I just thought it would be pretty. So little change. You know, sometimes when I'm doing these kits, I like to give you some different options so that you can see ways to change up a card that truly are, you know, they're fun. On this one, I use the Curls and Swirls embossing folder. You can use any one you want. It's pretty simple, pretty basic. You're just gonna stamp and then add your sentiment stamp on there and then just assemble. So pretty easy cards this month. But again, you got two of those. So there's your two card kits. On this one, again, super easy. You did receive, you've got your green, and then you have your Berry Burst for this flower right here. And then you have a scrap of white for this flower. So I know it's kind of hard to see. You're gonna do a paper saving trick. Let me show you what that's gonna be. I don't know if you can see, but there are two leaves right here. And paper saving tricks are always fun. You're going to just simply take on this square, in the middle, you're gonna cut out your two leaves, and then once you assemble this, no one's gonna know. Make sense? Love paper saving tips because it really does help you in your craft room, and it helps me when I'm preparing classes like this, but it is a cool little thing, and I always like to share that when I can. So I hope you guys enjoy this class, and happy stamping, y'all. Again, I want to thank you for taking this class. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask. If you would like to see anything specifically for any upcoming classes, shoot me an email. Let me know, because I'm here to help you in your crafting projects and things like that. So I want to design classes that you want. So thank you. Happy stamping, y'all.